Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Abdul Moise from geotechinfo.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone, iPad or iPod lightning cable. So let's get started with the video. I'm having a number of cables which are having the same problem. The problem with these lightning cables is that when you use it for some time, the wires inside this cable are detached from the board. The things that you will be needing for this project are a faulty lightning cable, a cutter, a soldering machine and a soldering wire. So first of all, you have to cut open this part, and you can use a cutter like this one, or you can use a blade. You have to cut it from the middle so that other half remains attached to the board inside it. You have to be very careful while dealing with the cutters so that you may not cut or scratch your hand. You also have to be careful that you don't damage the board inside it. This process requires a lot of time and a lot of patience. Once you have cut it into two parts, you have to separate the two parts so that you have access to the board and the part where wires are attached. Separate two parts gently so that you don't damage the board where wires are attached. Now you can see that two wires are detached from the board. The wires have a specific sequence. Red and black are at the edges, and these wires are responsible for providing power, while other two are responsible for transmitting data. I have cut open two other wires, and the other two are also having the same color sequence. Keep in mind that if you are not having original Apple cable, color of wire may differ. Actual sequence of wire will be appearing on the screen. After that, you have to use the soldering machine to attach the wire to the board. This is the most important part of the whole procedure, and this part took a lot of time. I'm not professional at this stuff, so I did it very carefully so that I don't damage board of this cable. Also, you have to be careful and you have to protect your hands because this soldering machine is very hot when it's operating. When all the wires are properly attached to the board, you have to use glue gun to insulate it so that these wires don't touch with each other. Also, you have to attach the portion which we cut again back to its position. You can use tape or any other glue to attach the two parts with each other. Once you have glued it properly, you will be having a fully functioning lightning cable. Now all you have to do is to plug in your cable and start charging. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't like the video, please let me know in the comments below the reason of disliking this video. This helps me a lot, and thanks a lot for watching, guys.